everyone, it's Neil. Welcome back to my kitchen, and today I have I bought some AirTags, and I just did a review on those, so you can probably find those too, but I bought some of these here. These are like AirTag holders, so they were really inexpensive, so like, okay, the ones from Apple cost more for one than this cost for 5 of these suckers, so I got 5 of these here, so let's see how they are here. So let me I don't know what color any of these are. I'm colorblind, but let's choose this color. And we'll put it on the keychain here. So here we go. And then I've got my AirTag right here. So let's go try to put it in there and see how easy or difficult it is. Let's see. I'm gonna say it's probably not too hard. There we are, working its way around, and there we are. So now we have a keychain thingy with one of my AirTags in it. Seems to be pretty good. These are made out of silicone. I really think they're pretty heavy duty. I don't think they're gonna break. It's gonna hold it in there really good. It's kind of got a good feel to it. So I like this thing, so I like these. So these are gonna be good. So I got a 4-pack, so I'll be able to have 4 different colors for my 4 different items. Actually, it came with 5, which is even better. But you're gonna wanna pick up one of these things here. The link's in the description, and be sure to like my video and subscribe to this channel. But definitely, if you got an AirPod, you need something to hold it in, or AirTag, I mean, you need something to hold it in, because otherwise you're just sitting there with a little button thing that's not connected to anything. I guess you could stick it in your pocket or stick it in the bottom of your purse or something like that without anything. Probably wouldn't fit in a wallet, because it's just kind of big and bulky. Nah, you'd have to connect. Maybe if you got a special wallet made with a front for it. But that's it, but I like this, so thumbs up for me. Definitely seems pretty good quality, so I like it. Thanks, bye.